People wonder, what the heck can I do with my NFT art after I've purchased it? I just spent $20,000, $50,000 on some really cool 3D animation or GIF or image, and I really want to show it to everyone, but I want to do it in a better way than just sending it to them. Well, today we're going to explore something that I found really cool. It's this thing called RareRooms. And today we're going to just jump in. I'll show you kind of how to set it up. I toyed around with it a tiny bit, and then I'll show you guys how to create your very own NFT gallery that you can literally send to your friends and family and show them, look at the NFTs that I purchased and check it out. But before we continue, it's crazy. You guys have smashed the like button so much in the past 2 videos. Thank you so much for that. But I'm gonna have to do it every single video because sometimes people just need to be reminded. So if you don't, this frog is gonna be very, very sad. And make sure if you're not subscribed, definitely do subscribe. Now let's hop into the computer back there and get started using RareRooms. So this is what RareRooms looks like right when you go to the homepage, rarerooms.io. Basically it just shows what you can do with it. You can start to create your room. And then basically you just sign in. I use my Google account. And then once you create your account, you can start to make your own room. So that's what I did here. So here's a room that I haven't touched yet. Basically, I'm going to edit the room. It starts off as basically a blank. Let's just try to make the dopest room I can out of my current NFT collection. So you can actually pull artwork from your Nifty Gateway account. So let's just try to pick the dopest art and create the best room we can. So obviously I gotta go with the classic Forever Mamba. And then we're gonna go with Highway Cruise, another classic, with really cool music. And make sure you guys watch through the video because when I show you guys Highway Cruise, it's actually gonna be crazy. Just trust me. Yo, we're definitely gonna put Frog A, Frog B, Frog C, and then maybe the Lotus Train, cats. And now we are in the room. And yeah, let's take a look around. So we'll start with Lotus Train. Wow, look at that. Lotus Train number 65 out of 148. The artist is obviously Mad Dog Jones. And wow, when you click into the actual thing, it actually links out to the Nifty Gateway. That's pretty cool. And if you can listen closely, you can actually hear the sound of the piece. That's really cool. Yo, that's so awesome. Love this piece. Ooh, the Kobe. Rest in peace. Look how close you can actually get to the painting. Oh, okay, guys. Now this, my favorite piece, as you guys know. I feel like I'm literally in the piece. This is amazing in full screen. You take a step back and the music goes away. And then when you walk closer, you hear the music again. I'm actually mesmerized. Okay, now the main attraction. Check out these frogs, baby. Jon Burgerman, the legend. Bro, look at him. Yo, that's crazy. Oh my God. Come on, guys, like the video. You don't want this guy to be sad. Trust me. Look at him. He's so happy. Look at his smile. Look at his smile. Wait, his nose and his mouth actually makes a smiley face on its own. That's crazy. Do it for the nose-mouth combination, guys. But yeah, so this is a really cool app, guys. You guys definitely have to get on this. We're going to actually visit one of my friend's rooms. I think his room is really tricked out. He's the one that actually showed me this app. His name is NFT Mike. All you have to do is change the URL because every room kind of has its own URL by a number. And I can't wait until I can make it apps.rareroom.io/once. That'd be really cool. But for now, let's go look at his room. Yeah, Avenue of Americas. And yes, he's got a legendary Beeple worth at least $100,000, probably $125,000 to $150,000 on the market right now if you wanted to liquidate pretty fast. So that's really awesome. Oh, sound block. This is what I came for, guys. I love how you can hear the music. It's so awesome. So yeah, that kind of shows you how I use RareRooms, setting up the entire gallery. So instead of just showing everyone your Nifty Gateway portfolio or your OpenSea, just go to RareRooms and create your own gallery. And yeah, it's really cool. You can actually just link people to this gallery. The one thing that I want to see in the future though is like, imagine if I was like in this thing and there's multiplayer mode. Like literally if I sent the link to someone else, they'll literally just spawn right there. I don't think they have character models or anything. That's why it's just first person. But imagine when you have character models and stuff. And then even further, imagine if you can like have a gallery for your own collection, your own gallery, and then like maybe you have like a paid entrance. So for example, if you wanted to join NFT once, like my premier NFT gallery, say I'm an artist and I want to like sell my paintings and stuff like that. This kind of just shows you like the power of virtual worlds. Like imagine if I'm an artist, right? And I'm selling 6 NFTs, all one of ones. I invite a bunch of collectors, private links, just to join, and then they all can walk around and kind of look at the paintings. And even further, imagine if there was like a live bid system where the event is like an hour long, and then basically anyone who's a collector can actually walk into the room and just walk around, basically just placing bids. You know what I mean? So that's actually going to be a pretty crazy thing if it actually happens. So yeah, I'm really excited for the future of NFTs, especially in the art space. Yeah. Definitely like the video, and don't forget to subscribe. We're going to be posting a lot more NFT contents, not just Nifty Gateway, but a lot of metaverse stuff, a lot of gallery related stuff. So yeah, until next time, peace.